Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Play Store not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and click Search Play Store from here. Click on
LAY.
You will see
Space ST.
click on Play Store and click on Storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on Clear Cache and click on Clear Data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to App Library and click. You will check your internet connection is work properly. Click on Internet Browser and you will see check internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so restart phone, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again tap on restart, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.